Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the favicon on your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to change the favicon on your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important, and changing your favicon is a small portion of that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the font to one of your Weebly websites, first on the top left here, make sure that you're working in the correct website. Once you've chosen the website, scroll down on this left menu until you see website. Open up that menu. Once you do that, you want to look for this line right here, site preferences. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see favicon right here. Okay, and then off to the right, you're going to see an upload button. Go ahead and click on. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up, upload complete. Your site should have your updated favicon. So if you want to test it, you can scroll all the way to the top and then click on your link, your site address. Okay, so I just pulled up my Weebly website, and if you look up here to the top left, you're going to see my new font. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the favicon on your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.